Hi friends, welcome to the S3 Cloud Hub channel. In this video we are going to see different between black box and white box testing. Without any further ado, let's start the session. Black box testing. It is also known as behavioral testing or testing based on the specification or input-output testing. Black box testing is a software testing method in which testers evaluate the functionality tested software without peeking in the internal structure of the code. Can apply to every level of software testing such as unit integration, system and performed by acceptance testers testing. Only the functional part apt to make sure software behavior is as expected. So, it is also known as behavioral-based testing. Testers create test scenarios or cases based on software requirements and specification, so it is also known as on-specification-based tester testing. The tester passes the input data to make sure actual performance meets expectations output, so it is also known as input-output testing. In black box testing we use some techniques to write a test. Cases such as equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis, decision table, state transition. There are two types of black box testing. Functional testing, in simple words what the system actually does is functional testing. Non-functional testing, in words, how well the system works in non-functionality testing. White box testing is also known as glass box, clear box, structural testing box. White box testing is based on applications the internal code structure. In white box testing, an internal system and programming skills used to design the test cases of this testing is usually done at a unique level. White box testing techniques. Statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage. So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.